In today's tutorial, I will show you how to link a bank account to your Fidelity account. To get started, log into your Fidelity account, then click the Accounts and Trade tab, then click Transfers. Under the Manage section, click Link a Bank. For the first option, select Electronic Funds Transfer or Bank Wire, whichever one applies to you. Just keep in mind that a bank wire does have a possible bank fee. Select who owns the bank account that you're trying to link. So if you own the bank account that you're trying to link with your Fidelity account, just click Myself, and if not, just click someone else. Select Yes or No if this is a business bank account. In this example, I'll just choose No. For the last option, you can select the first one if you want to log into your bank account to link it with Fidelity. If not, you can select the second option if you want to enter the information manually, like entering your account and routing number. I'll just select this option for this example, then click Continue. For the first option, it's asking which transfer type you would like to enable for this account. I would choose the electronic fund transfer since this option is free. In the dropdown, select which account you're trying to link your bank account with. So in this example, I'm trying to link a new bank account to my individual brokerage account, so I'll select this option. It's going to ask who owns this bank account. I'm just going to select I'm the owner in this case, and I'm using a checking account in this example, so I'll select the first one. Here, just type in your routing and account number, and then just click Agree and Continue. Follow the rest of the on-screen instructions, and that is all the steps you need to do to successfully link a bank account to your Fidelity account. That is the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.